Pregnancy hormones affect a woman's body in all respects. Skin, hairs, and nails are also affected by these hormones. In this video, we will discuss the changes that happen to the skin, hairs, and nails of a woman during the pregnancy. The most common skin changes during pregnancy are brown patches on the face, also known as melasma. Darkening of the skin means hyperpigmentation, stretch marks, acne, varicose veins, nail growth changes, hair changes, skin itching, blisters on your belly. Intrahepatic cholestasis means only itching on palms and soles but no rashes. And linea nigra, a dark line that can form between your belly button and public area during pregnancy. Causes of these conditions could be hormonal changes during pregnancy, physical changes during pregnancy, and conditions existing before pregnancy. How skin conditions are treated during pregnancy. For hyperpigmentation and melasma, use sunscreen with at least SPF 30 and wear a hat whenever you go outside. Limit your exposure to sunlight, especially between the hours of 10 am and 2 pm. Some over-the-counter creams containing hydroquinone can also be used, but it is better to consult the dermatologist for skin care products to treat brown patches during pregnancy. For stretch marks, use a chemical-free and herbal moisturizer to soften the stretch marks' itchy area. Stretch marks fade away after delivery on its own, but for the complete removal of stretch marks, laser treatments and prescription creams are the only options. For acne, these hygiene practices can help to treat acne during pregnancy. Wash your face twice daily with mild and chemical-free cleanser and lukewarm water. Keep hairs away from your face. If you have oily hairs, shampoo the hairs every day. Avoid picking the pimples or squeezing the acne sores. Use only herbal and oil-free cosmetics. You can ask your doctor for the skincare products to treat acne during pregnancy according to your skin type. For varicose veins, weight gain, uterine pressure, and decreased blood flow can cause varicose veins. Varicose veins can occur on the legs, vulva, vagina, and rectum. Varicose veins cannot be prevented, but you can try the following ways to ease the discomforts of varicose veins. Move around frequently if you have to sit or stand for long periods. Do not sit with your legs crossed for long periods. Elevate your legs when possible and prop your legs up on a couch, chair, or footstool as often as you can. Exercise regularly. Wear a sport hose. For hair and nails changes, you may experience thick hairs and increased hair growth on your body parts during pregnancy. You may either feel fast nail growth or split and break nails during pregnancy. There is no remedy to treat nail growth changes and increased hair growth during pregnancy, but both hairs and nails will return to their normal growth within 6 months after giving birth. For body itching and cholestasis of pregnancy, intrahepatic cholestasis of pregnancy is a pregnancy-induced liver condition that becomes obvious in the 3rd trimester, and medications are given to treat this condition. Cold bath, ice packs, and calamine lotions can help to reduce body itching during pregnancy. Both of these conditions cure on their own after the delivery. For linea nigra, about 90% of women experience linea nigra. Linea nigra is a pregnancy condition and it has no effect on the baby. Linea nigra lines also fade away after delivery on its own. Other home remedies to treat skin condition during pregnancy are Drink water as much as possible to keep your skin hydrated. Wear cotton and loose clothes to reduce skin irritation. Take a cool bath to soothe yourself. Avoid hot baths as it may cause dry skin. Use only chemical-free soaps, sunscreen lotions, and moisturizers during pregnancy. Do not worry, many of these skin changes cure on its own after the delivery. Consult a dermatologist after the delivery in case you are still having skin, hairs, and nails related issues.